Good day everyone and welcome to our video lesson. So today we are going to discuss our lesson 10, Sum and Difference and Product Formulas. So in this lesson class, we are going to focus on the sum, differences, and product formulas. So itong formula na introduce ko ngayon. These are the formulas that help us to rewrite trigonometric expressions into another form. This is useful when simplifying expressions or solving trigonometric equations. So, itong mga formula na to show the relationship between trigonometric functions when angle are added, subtracted, or multiplied. So, sum and difference for sine and cosine. So, the goal is to transform the expressions either from a product to a sum or from a sum to a product. So, kani siya nga formula. These are the formulas that we're going to use when we convert a product of trigonometric functions into sum or differences. So, ito yung gagamitin na formula. So, ito naman, these are the formulas that we are going to use kapag na-reverse naman natin or kinonvert naman natin yung sum of sine or cosine into a product of sine and cosine. So, meron tayo dito mga examples para mas maintindihan ninyo. So, for our first example, express each of the following as a sum or differences. So, dito, i-convert natin yung product of trigonometric functions into sum or differences. So, dali lang siya. Imo lang na siyang i-add ang kining dalawa ka angle. Dito, nakuha itong 70. Kaya gi-add lang ni 40 plus 30. So, 70 degree. Copy lang ni mong 1/2 and sine. So, dito naman, nakuha itong 10. I-subtract lang ng 40 minus 30. So, ano lang sa kadali. And same lang gihapon ang buhatan sa dito sa baba. Plus lang ni 110 plus 55 and 65. 110 minus 55. 55. Then, gikopy lang ang sine. So, here, we transform the expressions from we transform the expression from product to addition of sine and cosine function. So now, i-reverse naman natin dito sa example number 2 natin. Here, we're going to convert the sum of sine and cosine into a product of sine and cosine. So how? So, kapag i-convert naman natin siya into a product, i-divide lang siya. So, ang mangyayari is, i-add mo tong dalawa. So, wait lang. Change natin yung kulay. Okay. So, i-add mo tong dalawa. 50 plus, okay, wait. Magic. Ito na lang. So, i-add mo tong dalawa. 50 degree plus 40 degree divided by 2. Ganun yung gagawin. So, 50 plus 40 is equals to 90 divided by 2 is equals to 45 degree. So, ito yun. Copy lang itong dalawa. So, kaya naging ganyan kasi meron tayo ditong 1/2. So, next naman, itong 50 minus 40. So, same pa rin yung ginawa. So, dito, inad ay i-subtract since subtraction man ang naadra nga sign. So, 50 minus 40 divided by 2. So, 50 minus 40, 10. Divided by 2 is equals to 5. So, ito yan. So, ganun lang yung pagkuha. So, diba? The sum became a product. So, you can see. Pag i-simplify na dyan na niyo siya into solving na, yun pala yung gagamitin nyo, yung special angle. Ito yung answer. This would be your answer. So, diba, dali lang kayo siya. Gamay lang man ang lesson 10 po. So, in summary, the sum and difference formulas allow us to evaluate the trigonometric functions of combined angles. So, while the product formulas help us to rewrite product as sum and vice versa, so, kini nga identity are very important tools no for simplifying trigonometric expressions. So, I guess that is the last part of lesson 10. So, I hope nasabtan and I hope you learned something. That's all for today, class. Thank you so much for listening and watching the video. Bye.